All right,
Yeah.
quickest one so far.
Oh.
All right, after this one, then we'll decide how good we think we are. Why is everything blurred? And why are we in the middle of nowhere? All right, what is this giving to you? I feel like, you know, America has like these big properties and houses, but so could a lot of other places.
Yeah. And, like,
Oh.
that's what I thought. It's Peru.
All right, if you say so.
That was crazy. You know what? That's one of the things I love about the Americans. They,
all right,
you know, they usually
they always have their
pride in their
flag.
country.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. All right, we did it.